ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಏನಂತ. ಸೊ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ TLM ಅಂದರೆ it is easy to access and share. So you can access your own, you can access your friends, you can access any TLM that is made to share from the world. You can go to the internet, any corner of the world, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ TLM ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ explaining some concept like Newton's law in science or some grammar in English, you can access it just from your computer. Also you can put it up for other people to access it and share it. So that is the second important advantage of a digital TLM. Now, have any of you seen International Khan Academy anta nodidira? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎನಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್, you can go click and it is just as a click of a button. Before you take your lesson in school, you can refresh yourself, see if there are new methods to teach the same topic. ಈಗ what is very important ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ what materials we make, because we are in a government school system and we are a public system. Whatever software we use, we must freely share it, and other people's work must be freely shareable or viewable to us. That is why we were encouraged in the teachers' communities of learning public software, which is free to use, free to share, free to modify. So, in fact, just yesterday I met a person from IIT Bombay, Professor Kannan Anta. Just like this Khan Academy, they are doing video tutorials for teachers, and they want to do it in all 20 Indian language. It is a project of MHRD India, and it is focusing on free and open source tools. Itara GeoGebra, OpenOffice, or any free and open source software tool. And what is good about it is ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You can do it in your computer at home. It's a simple free software, and the next session I can teach you how to do it. So the best part of it is ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. It is very easy to do. But I'll just close with one final thing. Many of us have, as teachers, in our own learning system, we have learnt in the old method. Old method andre rote learning. Concepts ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, because that is not how we have learnt in our schools. So please think of these tools not just as a teaching tool for your children, but it is a very significant learning tool for the teacher. ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ or in the computer lab ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು if you want information about any topic, if you want to try some topic on any of the tools, it is a great way for you to self-learn ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. It is a great way for you to constantly keep learning. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, the teacher stops being a teacher when she stops learning, alva. So this is a very nice way to continuously learn. Apart from the tools, you can always, like they said in the child told in the Kerala movie you saw, you can always go to the internet and get information. You just have to type constructive learning, you will get millions of links. So it is a very good way for you to self-learn. The next thing it's a very good way for you to share online. See, for us to all to meet today has been quite a challenge. Ellargu bere commitments irutte. We must start interacting online. Online does not take you to come to another place, take 4 hours time. So please start blogging online. Portal ko hogi, put your questions up. See if your colleagues who have more experience can answer your questions. it is the digital age now. We must start learning how to use the internet, use the digital media to communicate and peer learning madakke. Okay. Finally, I will close by saying that the teachers' communities of learning pilot program's objective were to understand how to use the computer as a TLM, and at the same time create resources to share online and create a platform for teachers to communicate. Right? So when we say platform to communicate, we want you to write blogs. Because this program has temporarily come to an end now, it does not mean that the web portal has come to an end. That will be there forever. So please don't close that website, don't close your emails. Please continue to be part of the community. We are a lifelong community now. So only when we share and learn, we will ultimately strengthen the voice of all of us, every teacher, because who is a teacher? The teacher is the most vital and pivotal person, according to me, in the education system. Thank you.